morning, happy Monday. It is very gloomy outside today. Brayden is actually home from work today. He took a personal day because last night was really rough for me, so yeah. Zoloft is rough. Zoloft combined with FND is just not a good situation. Anyway, we are in a winter storm warning right now. It's very, very windy outside, but we have a few errands that we need to run today, so we're gonna get those done before all the snow hits. So I spent way too much money, but that's okay. I don't treat myself like this a whole lot. So I got the e.l.f. HD powder. I used to use this and I remember really liking it. So I got a Rimmel Maxi Blush in the shade Third Base. I've been really getting into blush lately, so yeah. And then the last product that I got is the L'Oreal Paris Unbelievabrow. I got it mainly because it has a brow gel, but apparently, I don't know, I'll have to see. There's people staring at me. And then I got some brushes from Real Techniques. I got this eye set. It's the Everyday Eye Essentials kit. So it comes with a shading brush, crease brush, defining crease brush, definer, smudge, medium shadow, lash separator, and fine liner brush. So I got that. And then I got the setting brush. Yeah, it's like a setting brush. I don't know. I thought it might be good for contouring or something. And then I got this blush brush, which I'm excited about. It looks really soft and fluffy. So that is what I got. When Brayden's done at Staples, we are going to go to Grainfields for some brunch because it is currently 10:05. So you can't really see, but it is snowing like crazy outside. And to think, yesterday it was plus 16 out. Welcome to Canada. Hey guys, good morning. Happy, I almost said Monday. It is Tuesday, March 30th. Kind of feels like a Monday because Brayden took yesterday off, which was really, really nice. We had a good day today. Yesterday. Clearly, I am still waking up. I need coffee. So I vlogged a little bit yesterday, not a ton. Yesterday morning we ran a few errands. We got new mats for the front and the back door, just because the ones that we had were, well, one was 5 years old and the other one was just way too small and basically had no purpose. So we replaced those. Brayden got some stuff for school, and I treated myself to some makeup and new makeup brushes. So, and then we went to Greenfields for like it was like 10 o'clock, so breakfast, brunch, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, and then we had a pretty crazy snowstorm actually yesterday. We got not a ton of snow, but more than is preferred for this time of year considering it's March 30th. And Sunday it was like plus 16 out, and yesterday it was like minus 20, so there's that. But we kind of just spent like the afternoon together, and I napped, and so I figured I would vlog today as well. So I have spent majority of the morning working on a paper that I have due next week. I'm thinking I'm gonna make some lunch. I kind of just want like soup, something easy. So I think I'm gonna have this golden butternut squash soup with some cheese in it. I'm exhausted, and I don't know why. I should not be this tired, but yeah. Alright, so I was vlogging yesterday, and then my camera died, and I totally forgot to finish vlogging, so I will show you some things that I got yesterday, and then I will kind of finish off the vlog, I guess. So the first thing that I was approached by Lola's Love. They are an epilepsy awareness company in America, and they are all about like self-love and all of that. So I purchased this shirt. It's just like a green crew neck that says self-love, and actually 10% of their profits go towards the American Epilepsy Foundation, which is just like amazing that they are doing that. And while I don't have epilepsy, I do have non-epileptic seizures, so I figured it was a good kind of company to support, especially since it is a small business. So yeah. Some other things that I got yesterday, I have been wanting some new coloring books. If you don't know, I love to color. It really, really helps my anxiety and helps calm me down. So I got 3 new coloring books yesterday. I got, it's Make Time for Yourself, Color Art, The Happiness Collection. And it looks like this. It has like, I don't know how to show this. It has like super like just like random designs. I don't know, it looks cool. And then if you don't know me, I love all things Disney, so I got the Disney Dreams collection by Thomas Kincaid Studios, and it's the Disney Princess collection. And what I really, really love about it is that they have like the original artwork beside the coloring page, which is kind of cool, so that you can kind of, I mean, I won't try to mimic that because there's no way that I'm not even remotely that artistic, but just kind of cool for color reference and stuff. And then I got this Joanna Basford World of Flowers. And I love her coloring books. They have really thick pages. The colors don't bleed through at all. Really intricate designs. Some of them are simple, some of them are really intricate, but I really, really love them. I have like 2 or 3 others by her, and I actually colored one last night. And I actually have some new markers coming from Amazon because mine are dying on me. So the next thing that I got is actually my friend designed these. I will link her t-shirt shop in the description. But she also suffers from functional neurological disorder and invisible illness. And as a way to make some extra money, she is designing and selling t-shirts. So I actually already made a post on Instagram about this. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, you definitely should. But the first one that I got is this functional, and it says functional, and then below it says functional neurological disorder. And it's just a pink cropped t-shirt. And for size reference, I got a small. I kind of wish that I would have sized up to a medium, but whatever. I mean, I still like them. So that's the first one, and then the next one, it is just because you can't see it doesn't mean it isn't there. Hashtag invisible illness. And what I really like is the doesn't mean it's not there is like blending into the shirt. I really like that. I thought that was cool. So yeah, that is what I all got. I mean, the clothing items have been purchased over like the last month and a half, but coloring books were purchased yesterday. Anyway, I hope you liked this multi-day vlog. Be sure to check out the description. I will link Lola's Love as well as my friend's t-shirt shop. Yeah, until the next video, I hope you guys are well, and I will see you next time.